Hello dear students, I continue with the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. We already solved the problem number 1. I want to solve with the problem number 2. Therefore solve y double dash plus 9 into y, that is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Here we know that y double dash is d square y by dx square, that can be written as capital D square, plus 9 into y. 9 into y, that is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Here y is common term, d square y by dx square. Therefore d square y by d square can be written as d square into y. Y is outside. Here 9y, 9 is outside. 9 into y is outside. That is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Here what is the auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is equal to 0. That implies m square is equal to minus 9. Take the square on both sides. Therefore square root of m square is m. This is equal to minus square root of minus 9 is plus or minus 3i. Therefore yc for this complex number plus or minus I into 3 is 3 into I is yc is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Next we need to find out yp. Here yp is equal to, what is yp? Cos 2x into cos x divided by d square plus 9. It is in the form of cos a into cos b. What is the formula for cos a into cos b? 1 by 2 into cos a into cos b is 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Therefore here 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is cos of, this is a, this is b. Therefore cos of a plus b. 2a plus 2x plus x is 3x. Therefore 1 by 2 into cos 3x. Next plus cos of a minus b. Cos of, what is a minus b? 2x minus x. 2x minus x is only x, cos x. Therefore here cos x. Therefore divided by d square plus 9. 1 by 2 into, split this term, 1 by 2 multiply with 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into cos x divided by d square plus 9. Plus again multiply with 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Therefore I take this as p1 and this as p2. Solve 1 by 1. p1 is equal to, what is p1? 1 by 2 into cos x divided by d square plus 9. Therefore 1 by 2 into cos x divided by, here replace d square by, d square is replaced by minus a square, that is equal to minus, what is a here? Cos ax. A is 1. Therefore that is equal to minus a is 1. 1 square is 1. Therefore wherever d square, replace d square by minus 1. Therefore 1 by 2 into cos x divided by d square is replaced by minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 9. It is equal to cos x divided by, here 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Next p2 is equal to, what is p2? p2 is 1 by 2 into cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 3x. Here replace d square by minus a square. What is a? A is equal to 3. Therefore replace d square by minus a square. Minus a square is 3 square is 9. Therefore wherever d square, replace d square by minus 3 square. Therefore 9. Minus 9 plus 9. Denominator is equal to 0. Denominator is equal to 0. Multiply x in the numerator. Here write 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 into multiply x in the numerator. Write cos 3x as it is and differentiate this term. What is the differentiation of d square? 2d. Plus what is the differentiation of 9? That is constant 0. Only therefore x divided by, here x by 2 into 2 is 4. What is the remaining term? The remaining term is cos 3x divided by d. Cos 3x divided by d. What is 1 by d? 1 by d is the inverse differential operator. It is 1 by d is the integration. The integration of cos 3x. The integration of cos 3x into dx, that is equal to, here write x by 4 as it is. What is the integration of cos 3x? Sin 3x divided by 3. Sin 3x. X into sin 3x divided by 3. 3 into 4 is 12. This is p2. Therefore the complete solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yp? Yp is p1 plus p2. Therefore y is equal to, what is yc? Yc is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus what is yp? Yp is p1 plus p2. p1 is cos 3x divided by 16 plus p2 is x into sin 3x divided by 12. Next problem number 3. Solve d cube minus 1 into y, that is equal to 3 into cos 2x. What is the auxiliary equation? M cube minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A is equal to m, b is equal to 1. Therefore a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square b square into ab. Therefore a square is m square, b square is 1. Here a into b is m into 1. What is m into 1? M into 1 is m. Therefore that is equal to 0. Here m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to plus 1. Here m square plus m plus 1, that is equal to 0. Solving this equation, here a is equal to 1, ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1. A is the coefficient of m square. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Therefore m is equal to minus b. What is b? B is 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. What is b square? B square is 1. B square is 1. 1 square is 1 minus 4 into a into c. 4 into a is 4. C is 1. Therefore 1 minus 3 is 1 minus 4 is minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus is I. Here square root of 3 divided by 2. That is equal to, here minus, split this term, minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I into root 3 divided by 2. This is the root of the auxiliary equation. Or you can directly find out the root of the auxiliary equation by using the calculator. Therefore yc for this complex number is, here a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Therefore here c1 into, first write the yc for this real and distinct root. Only one root is there, real root. Therefore c1 into e power 1 into x is x plus e power a into x. What is a? Here minus 1 by 2. E power a into x minus 1 by 2 into x is minus x by 2 into c1 cos bx. What is b? Here b is root 3 divided by 2. Therefore c2 into, I already taken c1. Therefore here I will take c2. c2 into cos bx. Bx is root 3 divided by 2 into x plus c3 into sin root 3 divided by 2 into x. Next we have find out the yp. What is yp? How to find yp? Yp is equal to 3 into cos 2x divided by d cube minus 1. Therefore that is equal to 3 into cos 2x. Here d cube can be written as d square into d minus 1. Now d square is replaced by minus a square. What is a square? A is 2. A square is 4. Therefore minus 2 square is 4. Wherever d square, replace d square by minus 4. 3 into cos 2x divided by, here d square is minus 4. Minus 4 into d minus 1. That is equal to 3 into, here take minus as common term. What is the remaining term? 4d plus 1. 4d plus 1. What is the conjugate for 4d plus 1? 4d minus 1. Therefore multiply and divide by 4d minus 1. That is the conjugate. Therefore 3 into cos 2x divided by minus common 4d plus 1. Multiply and divide by conjugate 4d minus 1. Therefore that is equal to, here first 3 into 4 into d is what? D is the differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 into sin 2x. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 into sin 2x. Similarly minus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into cos 2x is 3 cos 2x. Or write 3 as it is. First here multiply with 4d. 4d into cos 2x is 4 into differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 into sin 2x. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 into sin 2x. Here minus 1 into cos 2x is cos 2x divided by, here minus write as it is. Here this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Therefore a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square is 4d whole square. What is 4d whole square? 16d square. Minus b square is 1 square. Minus 1 square is 1. Therefore that is equal to, here take minus common. Here minus 3. Here these minus will become plus. Therefore 8 into sin 2x plus cos 2x divided by, here minus write as it is. Minus write as it is. Here what is d square? D square is minus 4. 16 into minus 4 is minus 64. Minus 64 minus 1 is minus 65. Minus 65 into minus, that is the plus 65. This is the yc. This is the yp. Therefore the complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to, what is the yc? c1 e power x plus e power x by 2 into c2 into cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c3 into sine root 3 by 2 into x. This is yc. Plus yp is minus 3 divided by 65, 8 into sine 2x plus cos 3x. Next problem. Solve d square y divided by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2 into y, that is equal to 4 into cos square x. We have here d square divided by dx square is a capital D square into y. Here y is the common factor, take it outside. Here only d square divided by dx square is capital D square. 3 into what is d by dx, that is capital D, plus 2 into y, that is equal to 4 into cos square x. What is the auxiliary equation? M square plus 3m plus 2, that is equal to 0. Don't write y, that is equal to. Here what is the factors? M square plus this can be 3m can be written as 2m plus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Here m plus 1 is the common factor. Therefore, if we take m plus 1, what is the remaining term? M plus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1, minus 2. Or directly you can find out the roots of the auxiliary equation by using the calculator. We get m is equal to minus 1, minus 2. Therefore, these are the real and distinct roots. Yes or no? Therefore, yc is equal to c1 into e power minus 1 into x is minus x plus c2 into e power minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Next we have here first 4 into cos square x can be written as, here cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Therefore, here already 4 is there. 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, 2 here 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Once again, here 4 right as it is. Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, 4 into 1 plus cos 2x. Therefore, yp is equal to, you can rewrite this 4 into cos square x is equal to, what is 4 into cos square x? 2 into 1 plus cos 2x divided by here d square plus 3d plus 2. And we can split this term. Therefore, 2 divided by d square plus 2d plus 2 plus here 2 into cos 2x. 2 into cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. That is equal to, I take this as P1 and this is P2. P1 is equal to, here constant can be written as, we already know that constant can be written as a constant k into e power 0 into x. What is e power 0 into x? That is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. That is equal to, here this is in the form of e power ax divided by f of d. E power ax divided by f of d. That is the type 1 problem. Here in this case, replace d square by d by, replace d by a. What is a here? 0. Wherever d, replace d by 0. Therefore, this is 0. This is 0. Only 2. Therefore, 2 into e power 0 into x is only 2. Here only 2. Therefore, 2 to cancel. Answer is 1. Next P2. What is P2? 2 into cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Here 2 write as it is. The remaining term is cos 2x divided by, wherever d square, replace d square by what? Here replace d square by minus a square. Therefore, minus, what is a here? A is 2. A square is 4. Therefore, replace d square by minus 4 plus 3d plus 2. That is equal to 2 into cos 2x divided by, here write 3d as it is. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Therefore, 2 into, here take the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 3d plus minus 2? 3d plus 2. Multiply divided by 3d plus 2. Therefore, 2 into 3d plus 2 and 3 divided by 3d plus 2 into cos 2x divided by 3d minus 2. That is equal to 2 into, first multiply with 3d into, first multiply with 3d into cos 2x. 3 into, what is the differentiation of cos 2x? The differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 into sin 2x. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 into sin 2x plus 2 into cos 2x divided by, here a plus b into a minus b formula. What is a here? A is equal to 3d plus b is equal to 2. A square is 3d whole square. 3d whole square is 9 into d square. Here minus b square is 2 square is 4. Therefore, here 2 into here in these two terms 2 is the common factor. Take it 2, take it outside. 2 into 2. Already 2 is there. 2 into 2 is 4. If you take 2 as the common term, what is the remaining term here? Minus 3 into sin 2x. Here we already taken 2 as the common factor. Therefore, only cos 2x divided by 9 into, what is d square? D square is replaced by, here what is a? sin ax, a is equal to 2, replace d square by minus a square, minus 2 square is minus 4, wherever d square, replace d square by minus 4, therefore 9 into d square is minus 4 and minus 4, therefore 4 into 3 into sin 2x plus cos 2x divided by, here minus plus into minus is minus, minus 9 into 4 is minus 36, minus 36 minus 4 is minus 40, and here take minus as common term, minus, here this minus and this minus get cancelled, here 4 ones are 4 tens are only 1 by 10, 1 by 10, here we already taken minus common term, here this minus will become plus and this minus will become, here plus will become minus, therefore 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x, this is the P2. Therefore the complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to, what is yc? c1 e power minus x, c plus c2 e power minus 2x plus, what is the p1? Yp is p1 plus p2. Yp, what is the p1? P1 is 1 plus, what is p2? P2 is a 3 into sin 2x divided by cos 2x divided by 10.